Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips back again here for another video. I know you guys been missing your boy Tips, but don't worry, I'm back here for another banger. I just want to let you guys know that it's minus 10 out here and I'm doing YouTube videos for you guys, so you better smash that like button. Since I have nothing really broken with my car, I'm gonna have to give you guys a story of what happened to me once upon a time. So I was chilling in my Beamer, right? Too deep. Me and my ego with me. Then out of nowhere, my transmission fault light popped up. I was like, oh shit, looks like I'll be spending some money on my Beamer this week. So immediately I pulled over, right? Because I'm not crazy enough to drive around my transmission light warning on. So then I called a tow truck to come pick me up. But they told me it was gonna be at least an hour. Half an hour later, I turned the car back on and everything was fine. So I decided to drive the car all the way home. And the warning light didn't come on again until I started driving the next day. So I knew from that, there's nothing wrong with the transmission itself, it has to be something wrong with the sensors. Go into limp mode, right? So you can start perfectly fine, but when you get going or your car's in traffic, right, the car start to jerk. And when the car starts to jerk, it'll start activating your crankshaft sensor. And after it's activated, it will immediately turn the car off. So that part that causes this problem is called transmission oil cooler thermostat, which looks like this, which is located on your radiator. So if you happen to see this fault code, you should consider just changing that before you do anything to your transmission, which is a very inexpensive part and will cost you literally nothing at the shop to get done. Alright, there you have it guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to I Earned It Tips. And don't forget to check out my other video if you have transmission malfunction or your car goes into limp mode. Catch you guys later, yo.